Hello everybody, so today from what I understand Apple had a press release as I have not been on social media since really early this morning and I haven't really heard much other than the fact that I'm hearing that one of the guys in one of my classes told me that there's apparently an M5 chip out, and so I'm assuming this means that there's a new MacBook Pro out or something like that, but I haven't been on social media since, so without further ado, I'm going to go on the Apple's website and check all this stuff out for the first time. So let's go ahead and let's go to apple.com. Okay, MacBook Pro 4, only a 14-inch model. Come on, Apple. Why can't you just do the whole lamp at once? It's okay, I'm not buying this variant, but this is not even the real Mac. M4 Pro and M4 Max aren't even new. Okay. I don't know if I call these finished stunning, but they're the same as usual. Wait a second. Okay, I thought this thing got rid of the notch and had replaced it with bezels. Okay, would have liked to see all USB-C, but that's okay. I mean, this is all the same kind of stuff. I would have liked to see how it's better than the M4, but okay. Yeah, I don't care about AI, so it doesn't matter to me. You know, Apple really is a privacy. They're better than some companies, but charging speeds are kind of cool. Apple now owns Pixel Air Pro, so at least they're advertising it. Yes, Microsoft 365 Copilot, that's a thing. Display is okay, I guess. I mean, this is all the same. This is all the same stuff as the previous MacBook. All right, let's go check out the new iPad Pro. Power. That's good to know. I don't care about AI, but all right. Ultra Retina XDR. Ultra Retina XDR. All these terms are kind of confusing with the displays, but Apple's displays, but oh well. This literally looks the same as the previous iPad Pro, except it got rid of the iPad text, just like what that Russian YouTuber leaked. by getting this early. Problem is the software, really, not the hardware. The display itself, the Ultra Retina XDR display is cool. It's just confusing. It's just not, it's kind of BS marketing, but it is impressive. I'll give them that. There used to be 2 camera lenses on the iPad Pro, but they got rid of the second one. So that's, I guess, everything that Apple has released so far, at least today. So I'm not going to buy either the MacBook nor the iPad, and these see like pretty minor upgrades, but that's really all I have to say. So are you going to plan on buying either of these, or else what do you think? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes family, and peace out.